Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a reminder within your note on the Google Keep application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should select from these notes that you can find at your home page. So these are the ones that you have already created, but if you would like to create a new note, just simply tap on this plus icon down below in the right side corner. Then create your note by typing in whatever you want, and then press on this bell icon at the top of the screen next to this pin icon. As you can see, you can set a reminder by clicking on the relevant one. So first you need to allow the Google Keep to access your notifications, to send you notifications. So tap on the allow button. As you can see, you have set a reminder to that date, but you can change it if you use this date and time section. So select the exact date and time that you when you would like to receive a reminder from this app. You can select whether you would like it to be repeated, or if it's just a one-time reminder, then press the button does not repeat. If you are done with these steps, press the button save at the top. So now you have added your reminder, but if you go back, you can also delete it by tapping on the delete button in the left corner. So now you have deleted this notification. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.